Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're hitting the gym, chugging protein shakes, and still wondering why you're not seeing the muscle gains you want, this video is for you. We all know protein is the king of muscle building, but what if I told you that you're missing out on 6 other crucial nutrients that could unlock your true potential? Today, we're diving deep into the unsung heroes of muscle growth. Let's get into it. First up, and this might surprise you, is carbohydrates. That's right. Carbs are not the enemy. Think of them as the high-octane fuel for your body's engine. Protein is the building block, but carbs provide the energy to actually do the heavy lifting and, just as importantly, to replenish your muscle's energy stores, known as glycogen, after a workout. Studies show that when you combine carbs with protein, you can actually enhance muscle protein synthesis. So, what should you eat? Before your workout, try something simple like a banana or a few dates in or beforehand, afterwards. A meal with both carbs and protein is the perfect combo to kickstart recovery and growth. Next, let's talk about calories. Okay, calories aren't technically a nutrient, but they are a measure of energy, and you absolutely cannot build muscle effectively if you're not eating enough. Your body needs a surplus of energy to repair and build new muscle tissue. If you're in a calorie deficit, your body will prioritize its basic functions, not building bigger biceps. If you struggle to eat enough, try having smaller, more frequent meals and snacks throughout the day. This keeps a steady supply of fuel going to your muscles and can prevent that overly full feeling that might keep you from your next meal or workout. Moving on to number 3, omega-3 fatty acids. You've probably heard about these for heart and brain health, but they are fantastic for your muscles too. Omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, are like your muscles' personal bodyguards. They help prevent muscle breakdown and stimulate muscle synthesis. This is particularly important for older adults or anyone recovering from an injury. Think of it this way, omega-3s help optimize the entire muscle building process. The best sources are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. If fish isn't your thing, you can look into high-quality supplements. Let's bring our 4th nutrient into the sunlight. Vitamin D. This is another one that most of us just aren't getting enough of. Vitamin D is essential for muscle health because it helps regulate calcium, which your muscles need to contract properly during workouts. It also supports your fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are crucial for strength and power. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce that post-workout soreness and speed up your recovery. The best way to get it is from the sun. Just 20 to 30 minutes of daily exposure can make a huge difference. You can also find it in fatty fish and fortified dairy products. If you live somewhere with long winters, consider talking to your doctor about a supplement. Number 5 is a mighty mineral, magnesium. This nutrient is a true workhorse, involved in over 300 reactions in your body, many of which are related to energy use in your muscles. Magnesium directly supports protein synthesis, which, as we know, is critical for growth. But here's a bonus: it also helps with muscle relaxation. This can reduce soreness and cramping, promoting a much faster and more comfortable recovery. So where do you get it? Load up on spinach, almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds. It's an easy and delicious way to support your hard work. And finally, our 6th powerhouse nutrient is creatine. Now, creatine is one of the most heavily researched supplements for a reason. It works. It doesn't directly build muscle tissue itself, but it acts like a battery pack for your muscles. Creatine boosts your body's ability to produce energy rapidly during short, intense bursts of effort. This means you can lift heavier, push out that extra rep, or sprint a little faster over time. This increased performance leads to greater strength and muscle gains. While your body makes some, and you get a little from red meat and fish, supplementing is the most effective way to reap its performance-enhancing benefits. So, to recap, while protein is essential, don't forget your carbs for energy, enough calories to fuel growth, omega-3s to protect and build, vitamin D for strength and recovery, magnesium for energy and relaxation, and creatine for that extra power boost. Building muscle is a total body effort that goes way beyond the gym. Remember to pair this knowledge with consistent resistance training. Eating nutrient-rich meals every day, not just on workout days, and prioritizing your rest. Sleep is when the real magic happens, so aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. I hope this gives you a more complete picture of what it takes to build muscle effectively. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, and subscribe for more content to help you reach your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.